Hey guys, it's Natural and I'm back with another video. So today I will be doing a product review. I will be reviewing the Kat Von D to each their own brow new pomade and pencil. So that's what I'll be reviewing today. I only have the pomade, I don't have the pencil or the powder. It's supposed to be long wearing, high pigment, and all of that jazz. So if you would love to see me review this product, please stay tuned. just going to give you my thoughts, opinions. Thoughts and opinions are the same thing, right? Duh. Anyway, whether I like it, what I recommended to somebody, the price, and all of that in the next clip. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm going to tell you the prices. So this pomade right here runs for $19. You get 5 grams or 0.18 ounces. The brush is this brush number 70 is $18, if I'm not mistaken. I'm looking it up on my phone as we speak. Yeah, it's $18, and it's number 70 pomade brow brush. Okay, so the claims on this brow product. That is so disrespectful. Okay, and if you're wondering when these came out, they came out April 20th on katvondbeauty.com and sephora.com. Sephora North America and Canada, it also came out April 20th, and international and Debenhams UK, it comes out spring 2018. It didn't say a date, so I'm not sure if it's out yet or not. Okay, so how I feel about the product. I feel like this pomade is a good pomade to use to fill your eyebrows. If it's not easier, then it's just as easy as filling your eyebrows in with a pencil. I feel like this would be a little bit faster because it's more pigmented to me than a pencil, but you also have to be careful with that pigment, because as you can see, if you press down too hard, it'll really be pigmented, and then you have a spot there. It's not that hard to correct, but yeah, you just have to be really careful. A little does go a long way. You don't need a lot of product. Okay, so I literally used very little of this product to get both of my brows done. The only reason why it's digged up like this is because at first I didn't know what I was doing, and I didn't expect it to be as soft. I was expecting it to be like a hard, almost like a hard, not even like gel, but just like a hard consistency. I wasn't expecting it to be soft. Mind you, I've never used a pomade before, so this is all new to me. I thoroughly enjoyed using this product, especially on the front parts of my eyebrows, because with this product it was very easy to fill them in. And yeah, I have no complaints about this product. Okay, so my rating for this Kat Von D 24 Hour Super Brow Long Wear Pomade, wow, that's a mouthful, is a 9.0 or a 9. The only reason why I'm giving it a 9 out of 10 is because this is my first time trying the product. I really do like it, but I don't really have a history in other pomades to compare it to. I feel if I wear this more often and use it more often, I may find something that I don't like, and I'll add it in the description box. But as of right now, I give it a 9. And yeah, I love the pigmentation. I love that it's easy to use. It's very beginner friendly. Just take your time when you're using it. I love the pigmentation, but you have to be very careful for that. And I don't want to say it's dummy proof, but it's very easy to use. Like, anybody can use it, even somebody who's not exactly makeup savvy. I'm not exactly 100% makeup savvy, so if I can use it, pretty much anybody can use it. Okay, for this brush number 70, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. I really do actually like this brush. It works well with the product. It picks it up very easily. When I first even like touched this product, because I was assuming that the pomade was going to be kind of hard. I don't know why I was assuming that, but I assumed it was going to be hard. So when I stuck it in there, it like literally like went into the product, and I was low-key scared because I was like, ooh, that's a lot of product. But it works very well with the product. I didn't get any shedding. The bristles aren't frazzled, they aren't bent, they aren't falling apart. The brush itself, like the handle of the brush and the, I think this is the fulcrum, the little silver part on other brushes, are plastic. So this brush is, I think, plastic material. The only thing that I have to compare it with is my other angle brush that I used for concealer. So the only thing is that this brush head is a little bit bigger than this one, not by much. So if you prefer a smaller brush, you don't have to get this brush with like a smaller brush head, just to be a little bit more detailed. But this brush works perfectly fine to me. Is it the most amazing brush in the world? No. I could probably get the same results with this brush. But I mean, to each its own. I'm not going to tell you not to buy the brush, but if you feel like the product will work better with the brush, then you can buy it. But honestly, I wouldn't even probably spend $18 on one makeup brush, to tell you the truth. So me personally, if this wasn't given to me, I would not have spent the money, to be honest. At the most, I would have spent the money on the pomade. Okay guys, so would I recommend these two products for you to buy? I definitely would recommend this pomade, and that's saying a lot for me because I was always afraid of pomades, but I definitely would recommend this pomade. It's easy to use, beginner friendly, it's very pigmented, and you do get, I feel like this is worth the money. Honestly, I really do feel like this is worth the money because you get a lot of product, and even if you use this every day, you are going to get your money's worth out of this product. Okay, so do I recommend this brush? Listen to me closely. I do and I do not recommend this brush. I recommend this brush because, and this is why I recommend it, listen closely. I recommend this brush because it does exactly what it says. It's easy to use, easy to grip, good quality. Now the bristles are falling out, and it's just an all-around good brush. Me personally, I do not recommend this brush because I wouldn't spend $18 on just one brush. That's the only reason. Other than that, I definitely do recommend this brush if you are not worried about the whole money aspect and you just have it like that to be big ball and shot calling. But to be honest, you really don't have to spend $18 on one brush to get the same results. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing my product review slash me trying something for the first time. Sorry, my mind went blank again. But yeah, and I want to give a big shout out to Influencer and Kat Von D for selecting me to even do this product review. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share with all of your friends. Join the family. I would really love to have you guys here. And don't forget, my name's Naturee. I came to say hey, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace and love.
Rubber band, Bruno sang to me while I do my